night. It's okay. What? Look at what mommy did to her hair. Kion, look at what I did to my hair. Yeah, it's a new hairstyle. Did you see it?
Mommy did it.
Yeah, mommy's the one who do it herself. Wow, are you proud of mommy?
Mommy was supposed to do it.
Are you proud? Are you proud of mommy? Yeah, I'm the one who cut my hair. I actually wanted to cut my hair last time pa, before the wedding of my sister. Kaya lang, I have no time. So, actually guys, dumaan na yung kasal. Dumaan na yung wedding. Hindi pa rin ako nakapagpagupit. And so, naisipan ko, I'll be the one to do it myself. O, di ba? So, what do you think, guys? Pasado ba? Comment down below. Yan. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed in our channel, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button or the thumbs up button. And ring the bell for notification of our new videos. Thank you so much. Till our next vlog. Bye!